Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm out in the polytunnel this afternoon because I want to see what's happening in the Wormery. This is day 10. I did do a video on the 4th of how I set up the Wormery. So I've been collecting some food over those days and I've brought it out now to do an update to see if they've eaten the food that I already put in there. Plus I want to top the food up again in there. So I'll just move the camera down a bit. So this is the food, and I'm going to chop it in small bits because, like we said before, they get rid of it quicker if it's cut up. So there's all sorts of bits and pieces in here from salad that we had the other day. Bits of lettuce, and also some coffee grounds, look, underneath there. Quite a few of those actually. There's me tipping it everywhere. Let's just do this one into little bits. I've got quite a lot still to catch up on in the allotment bit. I shall do a separate video about that, but the idea is that I get everything done, you know, ready for planting season really. So I've got to get on with it. I've still got some raised beds to fill up with dirt and use for top these beds up in the polytunnel. So it's busy really, but luckily enough it's mild. Can't believe it this time of the year really. Anyway, I think the rest is pretty alright in there. That's a lot really. Right, so let's have a look. Right, so we're on quite a few days, 10 days later. Oh goodness. Let's see what's happening in here. I did put that little bit of stuff on top. Oh, there's a great big worm there coming out in the middle. I'm actually going to take that bit of cardboard out now. I'll probably break that up. So, oh yeah, look at all them. Lovely. Ooh. Wow. So what I'm going to do is spread this little bit of dried grass over there. And I'm going to top it up with a little bit of potting compost. I'm just doing that now. Yep. So this is just a little bit of potting compost on the top. Not much. One more little scoop. Excuse me, sniffing. Right, so I'm going to do the same as before. A little bit in each corner. Tea bags and all sorts in there. So there seems to be a lot of movement around. Look, there's one or two climbing up there. All around the edges you can tell that they've been exploring their little house. So all seems good. So the piece of cardboard that I had in there, I'm just going to break up now into little bits. And you need to be adding a bit of dried stuff as well, which is why I put that bit of dried grass in there. It'd be quicker if I did that actually. So I'm just going to shred this. There. Looks like there's plenty of worms in there, still growing well anyway. Oh look, there's a little one there. And what I found indoors was, I think it come off of when we bought some oranges. It's a little bit of hessian matting that the oranges were in, so I'm going to use that to just keep it over the top there, keep the moisture in. And that's it really. So that's the 14th of January 2019 Wormery update. Anyway, all looking good in there. I'll shut the lid. And there you go. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll keep doing updates on the Wormery. And I'm also going to do a video of the progress outside of the polytunnel, the allotment kind of thing. Anyway, speak to you soon. No, not speak to you soon. Thanks for watching.